Welcome back to Beautyistic, beauty lovers. Today we're diving into the Oribe Hair Alchemy Leader Set, a product that promises to strengthen and reinforce fragile hair, reduce hair fall due to breakage, and improve elasticity. So, if you're someone who's looking for a powerful hair care solution, this set might be the one you're eyeing. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out together. The Oribe Hair Alchemy Leader Set is a two-step system designed to repair and fortify damaged hair. It includes a shampoo and conditioner, both formulated with a blend of nourishing ingredients that aim to provide deep hydration and protection. With its focus on improving hair elasticity and reducing breakage, it's targeted toward individuals with fragile hair who are looking for something more than just surface-level moisture. These products promise to address the root causes of hair breakage and make your hair feel stronger and more resilient. When I first tried this set, I'll admit, I was excited, especially because Oribe is known for its luxury formulations. The shampoo has a rich, creamy texture that lathers beautifully, leaving my hair feeling clean but not stripped. It doesn't foam up like some other shampoos, but I noticed that it worked well with just a small amount. The conditioner is thick and feels indulgent, coating the hair without being too heavy. In terms of actual use, I've incorporated the products into my regular hair routine, using them both morning and night for a week to get a true sense of their performance. The first thing I noticed was how soft my hair felt post-shower. I didn't need to use too much heat styling to make my hair look sleek, which was a nice bonus. I typically struggle with frizz, and while the Oribe set didn't completely eliminate it, it did make a noticeable difference. My hair was softer and easier to manage overall. But what really stood out was the immediate smoothness and shine, especially after blow drying. Over time, my hair started to feel stronger too. I tend to get breakage around the crown, and while I didn't see a miraculous transformation in one use, I did notice a reduction in shedding after just a few washes. Now, let's get into the pros and cons of the set. On the plus side, the texture of both the shampoo and conditioner is luxurious. They hydrate deeply without leaving any greasy residue, and the scent, well, it's a signature Oribe fragrance that lingers in the best way possible. If you love a premium experience, this is definitely for you. The formula also feels very gentle, even on my sensitive scalp. On the downside, the price point might make some people hesitate. Oribe products are luxury items, and this set, being the liter size, can run quite high. Additionally, while the products do improve hair strength and texture, the results might not be as immediate for some users. If you're looking for a quick fix, this set might require a bit more time to show its full potential. Speaking of price, I can't help but mention that while this product is high-end, it really delivers on the quality of ingredients and performance. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are certainly other strengthening shampoos and conditioners that provide similar results at a lower cost. I've also tried a few alternatives like the Olaplex No. 4 and No. 5 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. While Olaplex is a strong contender in the hair strengthening category, Oribe stands out with its luxurious feel, scent, and overall experience. It's not just about repairing hair, but about treating yourself to a high-end hair care routine that makes every shower feel like a spa experience. As for build quality, the packaging is gorgeous, as you would expect from Oribe. The liter bottles are sturdy, with a well-designed pump for easy dispensing, and they look chic on any bathroom shelf. These products are meant to last, and if you're someone who loves a consistent, premium experience, the investment could very well be worth it. Now, as for longevity, I've been using this set for a few weeks, and I've noticed that my hair looks and feels consistently better with each wash. I'm excited to see if the strengthening benefits continue as I use the products longer. I did not need to interact with customer service for this product, but based on Oribe's reputation, I know they are responsive and highly regarded for handling customer inquiries promptly and effectively. If you're looking for cheaper alternatives, I do have a few recommendations that provide similar value without the luxury price tag. The Redken Extreme Length Shampoo and Conditioner Set, for example, offers solid strengthening benefits at a more affordable price point, while still leaving your hair soft and manageable. Another option is the Paul Mitchell Super Strong Daily Shampoo and Conditioner, which offers repair and strength without the premium cost. To sum it up, I really do think the Oribe Hair Alchemy Leader Set lives up to its promises of strengthening fragile hair and reducing breakage, but it's definitely a luxury buy. If you're looking for something high-end that offers a premium hair care experience, you won't be disappointed. However, if you're on a budget or not after that luxe feel, there are other solid options out there that will do the job for less. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've tried the Oribe Hair Alchemy Leader Set or have any thoughts on similar products, drop a comment below. Let us know what worked for you.